Yeah.
All right, coach. Second game, tough loss. A more attacking display from a team from last weekend. Talk us through the game.
Well, coming into the game, our boys are much more confident, and we are trying to build a bond coming into the game. We try to exploit the attacking force of the team, but apparently we were creating chances, but apparently we're not finishing. So we have to go back and get them back to the field and put in some more work on the finishing product.
I see that, coach. A better display first half and second half from last week, but the finishing is just not there as yet. What do you think can improve the player finishing? Because I can see tactically it worked. You throw above you after the game for majority of the game.
Well, at the body orientation again, as I mentioned, our boys have to get that correct, and they close down them early. So maybe the quickness of finishing, and that we have to work on now. How quickly when they get in the space to play that ball in the back of the net. I think that will prove dividend for us to going forward.
Right, and you have a lot of individual brilliance, attacking brilliance in the team that got you those 2 goals. Tell me, those 2 players that scored. How well do they, fit in the team? How well do you, how much do you depend on them for big moments like these?
Well, there are players that coming out of high school, coming out of their school, and we try to incorporate them to become a team player within the team, and we use them in the moments. And these are they have the big moments that they can step up and create. But it's a work in progress, and we use this under 17 as a building stage for the players back home in Montego Bay, and we are trying to incorporate all of them and try to make them move up into the ranks as they go. We use it game by game and try to build it step by step.
I understand. Again, coach, tough loss and all the best for the rest of the competition, okay?
All right, thanks.